Alright guys, so to get rid of sunburn on your face or on your hand, you're going to be needing to use turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is a great spice that works wonders for the skin. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory property, fights acne, reduces dark circles, protects against sun damage and aging. It reduces appearances of stretch marks and it's going to help to remove sunburn. And also we're going to be making use of rice powder. Now rice powder has been known to lighten up the skin. It works in removing sunburns. Rice powder is a natural anti-aging and oil absorbing property and makes them good for oily or acne prone skin. Alright, so we're gonna be putting in aloe vera. Aloe vera is a great remedy that is great for moisturizing. It's great for sunburn, irritated skin, and it will help to glow up the skin. It also helps to remove dead skin cells and it lightens up the skin. And then we're going to be needing coconut oil. Now coconut oil is a great remedy that works wonders for a damaged skin. It repairs the skin, it gets into the pores, it protects the skin against sun damage, and it will also remove sunburn. Alright, so for the turmeric powder, we're going to be taking 1 tablespoon of that, okay? Into the bowl. Next, we're going to be putting in the rice powder for a better treatment. And then we're going to be putting in the aloe vera. Alright, so in this you can actually use this aloe vera or you can use the fresh aloe vera, anyone you lay your hands on. Okay, it's gonna be perfect. After that is done, then you're gonna be putting in your coconut oil. Now coconut oil here we need 1 full tablespoon, okay? So we're gonna be mixing this all up. We'll give it a very nice stir. Alright, the consistency seems to be very thick, so we're going to be adding up water. Okay, so if you're experiencing sunburn, you do not need to use much of lemon. You can either use rose water or ordinary water to mix all of your ingredients, okay? So now you stir, and then you stir very well so we can get a very good consistency. Make sure that there's no lumps in this. That's why you need to take time to stir and mix this all up very, very well. Okay, so the next thing is to apply it onto your hands or onto your face. Okay, so for this I'm going to be showing you the illustration, applying it on my hands as well as applying it on my face. Okay, so the first illustration is going to be applying it on my hands. So I'm going to be taking this. That's it. I'm showing you this so that if you're having sunburns on your body, you can just spread this treatment through your body like this. Make sure that the consistency is very friendly enough to spread. Spread it all over your body. And then you also spread this all over your face. So I'm going to be showing you that when we get to the bathroom. Now when you're rubbing this on your body, you have to hold on for it to dry a little bit. Now when it's dry, then you can go wash it off. You have to hold on for like 5 minutes. It's not going to take long, it's going to dry. Okay, now when it dries, then you wash it off. Follow suit with a soap because the turmeric stains the skin. Okay, follow suit with washing it with a toilet soap and your skin is gonna blend, like seriously. Alright guys, so here's a sunburn remedy and I like to use a brush, apply it. Now before you apply it, you have to wash your face. I've already washed my face, damp it, and my face is clean and wet. So your face has to be clean and wet, okay? And then you would apply this. Okay, now for some people they used to have dark spots, sunburn here. I don't know why. That's sometimes is caused by um, the chemical you use. That's the cream you are actually using. Because if it's a natural sun, it's just going to burn the places in which I review. Okay, like that. So you rub this. You don't scrub. You don't massage. You just leave it on, and then the next 3 to 5 minutes you will wash it off and you're good to go, and your face is gonna glow, sunburn is gonna go off, and yeah, that's it. So I'm going to go wash this off and I'll be right back. Okay, so